Hey folks, Mark here. Certain circles I'm known as Goat. Welcome to Goat's Garage. Just a quick video here for you Victory owners out there. Every time you change your oil, I change mine every 3,000 because it starts to shift kind of crappy. But every time you do your oil, you should also do your clutch. There's a 10 millimeter up under here. The pins have got square-sided shanks to hold it from spinning. You have to keep it pushed down. This is a nylock. There's any clips? There's any clips? Alright, and then that bad boy there pops up. And this pretty much comes right on out of there. But first, before the lever will come off, you do have to release the bottom of it. And I usually just kind of wrap the clutch lever best I can, keep from marring it up. It's always fun. I could use a second hand in here, or a third hand. Pull that out. Yeah.
You're gonna have to get more. Like
oh,
don't
more,
you borrow
please. Like more. Alright. Easy as that. You want to clean up the goop on the cable and on the ferrule. On the clutch arm. We had it nice and lithiumed up last time. I probably could have let it ride another 3,000, but it's kind of a ritual that has to be done just for peace of mind, really, in my opinion. All right, and now I still have these in my hand. I'll just set them on the floorboard, or not.
Did you get your white lithium out?
No, I have not. Put everything away. We just did Alex's sport cruiser, and all the stuff was out to do it. And he put it away. I can't get mad at you for putting tools away. All right, now this should come right out, and if you see, this will slip right out. The ferrule will slip right out of there. And you can see it's still fairly well lubed up, but like I said, it's kind of a ritual, so I'm going to clean it up. But one thing you need to know, if you haven't had a Victory before, you just bought one used, is there's a thing called the dreaded burr. And the dreaded burr has led to multiple clutch failures, clutch cable failures, because you can see right through here is where that cable gets stressed, and there was kind of a burr in this area here. And if you look, if you got a Victory, you need to look and make sure that you're not frayed right through here. And this is a Barnett cable. It's got a liner on it right in here, and then this is the cable. But that's perfect. Still looks fine, and I'm going to lube it up put it back together. But if you do have a bike that's never had anything done to the clutch lever, you might want to take some sandpaper and sand this area right in here. You can see where I've kind of worked it. I did it to all my victories. I've got 3 of them. And with proper lubrication and the dreaded burr removed.
2.
Well, I had 3 victories. Actually, I've had 4. I traded one in after a year to get blue because I like blue. I had a black 2010, and this is a 2011. Anyway, yeah, remove that burr, clean it up, white lithium grease, put it all back together. And this is what I use. The person who told me to do this was Scott with Conquest Customs, Scott Keatsman. You got to check out his website. If you ever need parts for victories, he does have some stuff. But Scott was the one that told me I needed to be doing this every time I change the oil. And so it's become a ritual. I've been doing it for quite a while now. Many moons. All right. And I'm going to get white lithium grease on my hands, so hopefully it's not carcinogenic. I'd hate to get cancer. Bushing in there, walking back and forth a little bit. All right, snug that up. We'll put a little white lithium on this bad boy here.
A little.
A little. It's not bad.
No.
It's not terrible. Terrible.
It's just terrible.
It's just terrible. All right. The fun part. Almost want to just do it without the damn towel on it. As a matter of fact, part of the problem is it moved. And part of the problem is I got it the wrong damn way. Alright, so now you got to put the channel locks on a certain way. Easy peasy. Helps to have extra set of hands.
Indeed.
And that is all there is to lubing your clutch cable. And my bike is dirty, but it's about ready to go to Helen. And now I can ride and know that my clutch cable is not frayed. It's not going to break, and it is properly lubricated. So anyway, yeah, that's a simple way to lube up your clutch cable every oil change. Recommended, highly. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, please.